My dear friends, welcome to my channel. In today's session, we will discuss about alpha beta pruning in artificial intelligence. In the last class, we have covered the minimax searching algorithm in artificial intelligence. Based on the disadvantages of minimax searching algorithm, now we will move to the alpha beta pruning. So initially, we will consider one as the maximum player and another one as the minimum player. So here alpha is assumed as the maximum player. So initially the alpha value is minus infinity. Beta is assumed as a minimum. Initially the beta value is infinity. So like minimax searching algorithm, here also we will assume one as the maximum level and another one as the minimum level. So maximum, minimum. So here the randomly selected terminal node values. Okay, so here we are applied one condition. If whenever alpha greater than or equal to beta, then we will stop that problem. Okay, now we will discuss no problem. If alpha greater than or equal to beta, then we are applied the pruning. Pruning means cut off. Okay, now we will start the problem. Here we are using the DFS technology. We have two different types of graph traversals are available, BFS and DFS. In alpha beta pruning, we are using the DFS. What is the meaning of DFS? First we will visit the root node, next we will cover the left child nodes, then we will move to the right child nodes. Okay, now we will start from the root node. Here this is the level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Okay, level 0, this is the parent node. So first we will assume that alpha is equal to minus infinity, beta is equal to infinity. Okay, parent node. Now we will move to the left child because here we are applying the DFS. So here also alpha is equal to minus infinity, beta is equal to infinity. Next we will move to the left child. Alpha is equal to minus infinity, beta is equal to infinity. Alpha is equal to minus infinity, beta is equal to infinity. Okay, so because here we are applied the DFS. Now we will search. So now we will move to the left child. The value is 10. So this is the minimum level. What is the minimum level? Minimum player is the beta. So in this particular level, the beta value is changed depending on the terminal values. So which is the minimum compared to the beta? Beta is equal to infinity, 10. So here 10 is the minimum. So the beta value is changed to the 10. Okay, so left child completed. Now we will move to the right child. So beta. So we will this is the level related to the minimum. That's why we will only consider the minimum value. So here the beta is equal to 10 and 5 here. So which is the minimum value? 5 is the minimum value. So up to now alpha is equal to minus infinity, beta is equal to 5. Okay, now all the left childs of this particular node is completed. So now we will move to this node. Please observe that this is the level related to the maximum level. So maximum level means alpha value will be changed. So alpha, so up to now alpha is minus infinity, remaining values minus infinity, 5. Which is the maximum value? Minus infinity, 5. So 5 is the maximum value. That's why alpha is equal to 5. Okay, so now the left child are completed. Now according to the DFS algorithm, we will move to the right child. So up to now the value of alpha is equal to 5, beta is equal to infinity. Now we will compare the left child because DFS. So here this is the minimum level. In the minimum level only beta value will be changed. Now our aim is to change the beta value. Please compare infinity with 7. 7 is the minimum. So that's why we will cancel the infinity. We will replace the 7. Now please compare the 7 value with the 11 because in the DFS we will move to the right child. So 7, 11, 7 is the minimum. Now we will move to the upper. This is the maximum level. That means alpha value will be changed. So what is the up to now? The alpha value is 5. So please compare the right child this is recently changed values. 5, 5, 7. Which is the maximum value? 7 is the maximum. That's why the alpha value will be changed. So alpha is equal to 7, beta is equal to infinity. Now the left child of this particular node, all the left childs are covered. Now we will check the alpha and beta values of here. So here this is related to the minimum, so that's why we will consider only the beta values. Here beta is infinity, so beta is infinity. So now we will compare the values, which is the minimum. So 7 infinity, which is the minimum value. Okay, so please observe that. So here 7 infinity is there. Here my aim is to change the beta value, so 7 is the minimum. Okay, so all the left childs are completed. Now we will move to the right child. Up to now the alpha is equal to -7, sorry, alpha is equal to minus infinity, beta is equal to 7. Now we will move to the left child. Alpha is equal to minus infinity, beta is equal to 7. So please compare the left child. Here our aim is to change the minimum level. Minimum means beta. So beta 7 and 12, which is the minimum? 7 is the minimum, no problem. So now we will compare with the right child. 7 and 8, 7 is the minimum, no changes. So here also maximum value will be changed because this level is related to the maximum, that means alpha. Alpha here minus infinity, compare it to the minus infinity 7, which is the maximum? 7 is the maximum. So please cancel minus infinity. Alpha is equal to 7, and here beta is also equal to 7. Please observe the condition here. If alpha greater than or equal to beta, then we will apply the prune. That means we will stop here. So here we will not searching this right child because here alpha is equal to 7, beta is equal to 7. That's why now we will stop the problem here. Okay, that means left child we will stop the here. So up to now this is the minimum. So now please compare minimum. Minimum means beta. So 7, 7, 7, 7 is the minimum. Now we will move to the parent node. Here this is related to the maximum. Maximum means alpha. Alpha here is minus infinity. Please compare the left child values. Minus infinity 7, which is the maximum value? 7 is the maximum value. So alpha is equal to 7. Okay, now all the left childs of parent node is completed here. Now we will move to the right child. So up to now alpha is equal to 7, beta is equal to infinity. Alpha is equal to 7, beta is equal to infinity. Alpha is equal to 7, beta is equal to infinity. Okay, now we are at this level. This is the related to the minimum. Minimum means beta will be changed. So beta is equal to infinity 5. So beta is equal to 5. Please compare the 5, 12. 5 is the minimum, no problem. Now we will move to the this parent node. So here alpha is equal to 7, beta is equal to 7, infinity. This is related to the maximum. Maximum means alpha value will be changed. So please compare the 7, 7, 7, 5. So 7 is the maximum, no problem. Okay, so now we will move to the right child. Now alpha is equal to 7, beta is equal to infinity. Okay, now please compare here. Beta value will be changed because this level is related to the minimum. Minimum means beta values will be changed. Please compare infinity with the 11. So infinity with the 11, 11 is the minimum. So now please compare 11 with the 12, 11 is the minimum, no problem. Now we will move to the parent node. Here this is related to the maximum. Maximum means alpha value will be changed. 7, 7, 11, which is the maximum? So 11 is the maximum. Now the alpha value will be changed. Now we will move to the parent node. Here alpha is equal to 7, beta is equal to infinity. This level is related to the minimum. So minimum means beta value. Beta is equal to infinity 11, which is the minimum value? So 11 is the minimum value. Up to now alpha is equal to 7, beta is equal to 11. Now we will move to the right child. alpha is equal to 7, beta is equal to 11. So left child, alpha is equal to 7, beta is equal to 11. Okay, so now please compare. This is the value related to the minimum value. Minimum means beta. Beta is compared with the 9. 9 is the minimum. So please cancel the 11, 9. So please compare the 9 and 8. 8 is the minimum. So up to now alpha is equal to 7, beta is equal to 8. Now we will move to the top. Here the maximum value will be changed, that means alpha value. Please compare 7, 7, 8. So alpha is equal to 7, 7, 8. So 8 is the maximum, that's why we will replace the alpha value with 8. Now please go to the right child. Okay, here alpha is equal to 8, beta is equal to 11. So this is related to the minimum, that is beta value will be changed. Please compare the 11 and 7. Here 7 is the minimum. So now please observe that alpha is greater than or equal to 7, 8 greater than or equal to 7. So now we will stop the problem. Okay, so finally we got the alpha is equal to 7, beta is equal to infinity. Okay, now the problem is completed. This is the process of alpha beta pruning. I hope all of you understand. If you have any doubts, please please mention in the comment section. Thank you very much.